Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Quanna. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe, comment, like, share, all that good stuff before you leave today. So, it is nail day for me, and lucky for me, Glamnetic is releasing a new line of nails. This is the So Retro collection, and so I have these two here. This is Groovy Green and Purple Power, and I'm gonna try these out today. I'm trying to decide which one I want to do, and I'm thinking that I'm leaning more towards green because my makeup's green today, and also St. Patrick's Day is like next week, so that'll be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to apply these, so keep watching.
All right, y'all, so here I'm just showing y'all what all comes in each box. So again, this is for every box. Any nail kit that you buy from Glamnetic will have these things included. So it comes with an alcohol pad. There are 30 nails in each one, so that you have different sizes to choose from. Nail glue, a nail file, as well as a cuticle pusher. So here I'm speeding through this because I don't think it's necessary for y'all to see, but this is just me trying on the nails to see which ones fit. For me, this is the fastest way to get through getting them on, is to just go ahead and size out your nails, so that once you figure that out, all you have to do is glue and stick. So here I'm just taking the alcohol pad and cleaning off each nail. This is really important to do because it'll make sure that you don't have any oils or anything that are on your nails that will keep them from sticking properly. Then I'm just taking the nail file and going ahead and shaping my nails. I'm really just taking it and kind of tapering the sides of each nail so that they match with the shape of the nails that I'm putting on. Since these are the long almond shaped nails, I just want to make sure that they all are going in that same direction. After you've done your filing and nail prep, all you have to do is go ahead and start. So the directions on the back of the box say to put the nail glue on the nail itself and then on your natural nail, and then to angle the nail in a downwards motion and press them on. I like to hold mine on for about 30 seconds, and then after the 30 seconds is up, I just go ahead and move on to the next nail. So this one I just showed you is in real time, and I went ahead and completed my left hand because that was my easy hand, and now I'm showing this to you on my less dominant hand. So I'm putting the nails onto my right hand, and even though again I'm not left-handed, this was still super easy to do. All you have to do is just go ahead. I like to squeeze out a little plop of glue onto my nail and then use the tip to spread it out, and then just go ahead and press the nails on. Again, this clip is in real time, so it gives you a realistic expectation of how long it'll take to apply them. Super quick, super easy. I'm going to speed through the rest of these because I think you get the gist. But yeah. These are also customizable. So you see me here filing down one of the nails around the cuticle area. They were kind of squared around the cuticle, so I just wanted to shape mine to be a little more round so that it fit my nail bed a little bit better. So if you want to file any of these, cut them, any of that, you're able to do that, and the nails still work great.
They're done. Look how cute. They're all done. I love them. I never usually have nails this long, but I think these look really great. They were super easy to apply. Again, you can use my code quonnaleshae to get 15% off. And please make sure to subscribe before you leave. Thanks for watching. Bye.